Myself, Professor Vinay Kumar Deolia, I am working in GLA University, Mathura as a head of the department Electrical Engineering and Electronics and Communication Engineering. Now, I want to please to say that a electric vehicle lab is going to set up in GLA University in collaboration with Decibels lab, and I found the experiments and equipments are very learningful for the students. Apart from the learning of students, these equipments are beneficial for the learning of corporate persons. So I am thankful to Decibel to set up this lab in GLA University, Mathura, and we hope that we will shake hand and we will do or we will extend this lab up to the good amount, and we wish all success for this center. Thank you.